In this tutorial, we're going to be adding a VMware. So we're going to be adding we're going to back up. We're actually going to be setting up VMware vCenter on Commvault. So to get started, we go to Home, then New Client, and then from New Client, you're going to see VMware vCenter. Click on that. So we're going to put our credentials in: the client name, the vServer name, the login name for the vCenter, and the password, and we'll click OK. Oh, one client. Okay, so we're going to add. Okay, we're going to actually put it to the ComServe, right? Add that. Click OK, then click OK again. Okay, so I got to put actually the IP address of it. Okay, that should work. Click OK on that. Okay, so you'll see it now. Go to open up client groups, and now you see the vCenter there. Sweet. Excellent. So you can actually probably go to properties on it, and you can probably browse to it actually, some of the VMs. Yeah, there we go. So security, VM filters, we can browse to some of the VMs, data stores, if you will. Perfect. Sweet. Excellent. So from here, you can back up or, recover all that. But we're just setting up, now. And you can change this to VMs. You can change it to data stores as you like. Different data store types. You can all that right there. You have the filters. You can add a filter, like not to back up a certain data store. Don't back up a certain data store. Let's actually put some in there actually right now. Let's do that. We'll filter that one out. We'll filter out this one. And then we'll filter out the other one, the third one. Okay, perfect. We'll just assign some storage to it. Click on Properties, click on Storage Type, and then select Dubai. Click OK. So that's it. So thanks for viewing this tutorial.